Once you've chosen the meat that you're going to smoke, your next choice is what rub or marinade you're going to put on it. So there are two different styles of rub. You can either pick a wet or a dry rub. A dry rub is just different ground spices, salt and sugars. The wet rub is the same salt, spice and sugars, but mixed with a little bit of water or oil. For the lamb shoulder, I've chosen the souvlaki rub from Matador. It's got a nice little zesty kick to it. When you start smoking, it's always easier just to use a pre-made rub, just because they've already got all the right ratios for the spice, salt and sugar. So on the steak, I'm using a ribeye, which has the bone in, and I'm just going to give it a good season of salt and pepper. With the sausages, I'm just going to keep them nice and simple and just put them straight on the smoker, because you just want the flavours of the sausage to really be the hero of it. So now I'm going to create my smoky rub so I can season all my meats and put them into the smoker. I'm going to put the souvlaki rub into a bowl, and then I'm going to mix a little bit of oil in there so I can coat the lamb all the way around. So I'm going to use a second tray just so I can get a proper coverage on all of the ribs. As long as all of the meat is covered with rub, you can't go wrong. So now I'm going to put the wet rub onto the lamb. Now you really want to massage the rub into the lamb and make sure you get it covered all the way around. And now I want to flip it over and coat the bottom of it as well. And now I'm going to flip it back over and it's ready to go into the smoker.